One of the best practices that we can recommend for you as a marketing NCO to consider is a little known service that we do provide. CACI, which is CACI, in doing your purchases of your plan, we have a requirement, internal requirement of everything over $30,000 needs to have what we refer to as a point of view, a POV. This POV that we write is like a market research paper, and this is something that a contracting officer at your UNSP&FO would actually have to perform in writing and doing research on your particular purchase request. But CACI, the county executives, can provide this service to you at certainly no charge, and we recommend that you do that. We do not make final recommendations, or you do not have to follow the final recommendations, but you should be submitting this with all your documents, either to your UNSP&FO or to your buyer for CACI, and being able to execute your purchase.